Okay, this is one of those things that people warn you is boring, but once it actually clicks, it kind of changes how you think about money. When I first heard the word compounding, I immediately tuned out. It sounded technical, very financy. It definitely didn't sound like something that I connected to, but compounding is actually the reason investing doesn't feel hard forever. It it's the part that quietly does the heavy lifting. Even when you're not doing anything at all, it's working. And once I understood that, investing felt different. Here's the simplest way that I can explain it. When when you invest, you're not just earning money on what you put in. You're you're also earning on whatever that money already earned. So instead of starting from scratch each year, your money keeps stacking on itself. And at first, that stacking is almost invisible. And this is where a lot of beginners, including me, started doubting everything because in the beginning, you invest and nothing dramatic happens. You don't open your account and think, wow, this is life changing. You think, is this even working? I remember checking and feeling underwhelmed, not because I expected to be rich, but because no one explained that early part is quiet on purpose. So let me walk you through what finally made sense for me. Let's say you invested a small amount and then you left it alone. The first few years, it grows a little, not enough to feel exciting and not even enough to feel like it's worth it. And a lot of people stop here because there's nothing going on, or they assume. So yeah, they assume that growth means that they picked the wrong thing, or that investing just isn't for them. But actually, what's happening during those early years is that your money is building a base, and every year there's a little more underneath it. So instead of, let's say, year three, your money is growing on the original amount. It's growing on the original amount plus everything it earned before. So that's the stacking effect. And the longer you give it time, the more noticeable the stacking becomes. And I did one of these calculators because I had invested a while ago into my Roth IRA. I stacked it and it grew to like $5,000. And then I took that $5,000 out and bought a car. But in one of those growth calculators, I put in that $5,000. I didn't put anything else. And if I had left it alone, that $5,000 would be $19,000 today. And if somebody handed me $19,000 today, I would be happy. And I don't know about you, but if I handed you $19,000 today, you might take it. So, not because you got suddenly smarter or not because you found a better strategy, it's because time finally had something to work with. And that's why people say compounding starts slow, but then speeds up. It's not magic, it's not momentum, and it's the part that finally shifted for me. Compounding doesn't reward perfection, it rewards patience. So you don't need perfect timing. You don't need to constantly adjust things. You don't need to watch it every day. You just need to stay invested long enough for it to do its job. This is also why starting early matters. And I want to say gently, especially for women, it's not about investing more money, it's about giving your money more years. Even small amounts can grow into something meaningful when when it's given enough time. So this is a realization that took a lot of pressure off of me because it meant that I didn't need to catch up. I didn't need to be more aggressive. I didn't need to start and change and figure something out. I just needed to start and stay consistent. So this is and here's something else I didn't expect. Compounding is quiet. It doesn't give you an instant feedback. It doesn't make you feel productive day to day. It doesn't reward you checking your account all the time, but it works. It keeps working even when you're not paying attention to it. And honestly, that's comforting. So you don't need to micromanage your future. You just need to, and you don't need to react emotionally to every dip. You don't need to feel like you're constantly doing something wrong. Okay, so that's compounding. It could it does the heavy lifting and it's less stressful when you understand how it works. So if you want to start simply, if you want help to start simply doing more with your money, my first $500 investing plan is linked below. And if you've been here through the whole Vlogmas videos with me, I want to thank you. And I hope at least it made investing feel less intimidating and more possible. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment and let me know, have you watched my videos for the last month? Just say, I was with you. If you're, I'm on my journey to leave my 9 to 5 through investing. If you're on a journey, just put in the comments, I'm on a journey too. Yes. So like, comment, and subscribe and come back for more videos. In January, I'll let you know what investments I picked to start off for the new year. Bye for now. Have a good one.